All right, family, welcome back to the channel. This is the Evans Crew Myth Buster. What is it called? Myth Buster series. No, we don't want to have a myth. What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. So it's the Evans Crew. As you know, this is a special Myth Busters video. All right, so I got a dent in the back of the Armada. Long story short, somebody ran into the back of us. We ain't never get it fixed. It's still there. Got some tape on it. Y'all all know. All right, so anyway, I'm out here because I'm about to do the hot water thing where you pour the hot water on the dent and it should come out. You know, you push it and it should come out easily. So I want to try it because I'm not about to spend the money anytime soon to get this dent fixed. So with that being said, let me show you the dent before I go get the hot water and pour it on there and try to bust this dent out. Yeah, don't laugh at my tape. It's to camouflage the dent in the rain. Nah, not really. It's because the thing be sticking out and the wind be getting to it, pushing the bumper off. But anyway, that's the dent. You see it? Yeah, somebody tagged us. So we about to do this hot water thing and see if it pulls it out. And then I fix that duct tape part later. Hey, don't make fun of my mittens, okay? All right, let's try. It's hot. $20, you put both feet on it.
How hot is it?
It's real hot. You see that steam? That joint just fogging up my glasses. Oh. Oh. Oh.
How do you feel the steam though? Look, I'm burned by it. I feel it's gonna splash on me. Alright, I'll put my feet in.
Is it all the way out?
Oh, yeah, there's like one little dent right there.
Uh-huh.
I put my feet in it. It's warm.
Oh, it kind of worked. That little bump right there.
Look, guys, I put my feet in it.
Oh, it's burning my nipple. Oh, still. It burned my nipple. Oh, it's hot. Hey, I'll take that little bump. There you go. Well, look like it's still a little dent. But that looked way better than it did. That's the little dent now.
I put both my feet in it.
Well, it's cool now.
Do I still get $20?
No.
But it was starting to get hot.
No, you lost that, sorry. Yeah. Oh. All right, family, there it is. So you seen, it works. The hot water was boiling for a little while. I didn't have to show you what boiling water looks like, but it was boiling water. Poured it on there, pushed the dent out. It left a little bit, but it's better than what it was. Yeah, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Hot water on your car. Let's get it.